Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually file a complaint here in DHL if you have some issues with it. But before we start the video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's just dive into our video now. So to do so, first of all, you will just go to your phone browser over here, go to your home page, go to search bar and type in DHL customer service. So once you go to that particular complaint or claim site, so you can see this, what you will do is simply add in your title, simply choose your title, then you will add in your information and you will add in your shipment details here as well, all the information, your message, what kind of problem you're having, if your delivery has been delayed or the wrong address or something. Then you can simply tap on this box over here as well, simply tap on the submit option, and this complaint will simply just be submitted to DHL and they will look through it and they will let you know via your email or the phone number, whatever you have connected with your account, and you will get access to them. After filling up this form, simply send this to DHL and you will simply be able to send a complaint to DHL over there. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply complain to DHL. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.